There they are, getting wet. You a little wet?
Can I see?
I'm filming you right now. Stand back there, I can't see you. Where's your daddy at? No umbrella. Okay, Dane. Dane at 5 years old. No umbrella. Yeah. Are you a little wet, buddy?
Yes.
What's your name?
Dane.
I can't see you.
How am I here?
Well, it's so dark in here, I can't see you. Hold on. Don't come in here wet. Stand over here. What's your name, little boy?
Dane.
Dane what?
Macmillan.
How do you spell your name?
D-A-N-E. Dane.
You are soaking wet, Dane. Can I hear your little song? Every day.
It's again closer.
Going
faster
than
a roller coaster.
love like ours will.
Dun, dun, dun. And it wasn't?
Surely never fade.
Surely never fade.
A. Every day.
I have to go pee-pee.
Oh, okay. Well, that sounds like a plan.
Okay.
And there he goes. Hey, Pickles. Oh, there's Shimmy Me Moo. Oh, there's the ball. And there's Pickles. Well. Give it to me, Picky. Give it to me. Give it to me. Look at that. Please get your shoes off in the house. You know better. All right.
Cassie?
I'm filming. I'm filming you.
I'm filming you.
And you're wet. You need to get those clothes off.
Pet.
All right, say bye. Say peace out.
Peace out.